And welcome to Grandad's Reviews. In this video, which, if this sort of thing doesn't interest you, is going to be boring, but if this sort of test is of interest to you, then yeah, I think you should enjoy it. I'm going to compare the noise in video and stills between the new X-H2S and the Fuji X-T3. So I filmed a set with varying ISOs on both cameras. First set is videoed both in H.265, and you'll see what the difference is, or if there's any difference. And then I've got a short section of B-Raw compared to the H.265 output of the X-H2S. So you'll see what the difference there is as well. I've also then got some stills which were shot at high ISOs, and you can just see what the difference in stills is. And it's a very quick video. I think it's 3 minutes for the actual tests, and plus a bit for me chatting at the start and the end. So let's get into it and have a look. Right, seen the results, and to be honest, X-T3 to the X-H2S in H.265, at those ISOs, there's next to no difference. To be honest, any differences there is just the noise moving around. There's no real big massive difference there. And what you will notice with the B-Raw against the H.265 out of the X-H2S is you'll see how much noise reduction the camera's carrying out, even though the noise reduction was set to -4, which is the least you can go, but it's still doing a lot of noise reduction, because the B-Raw has basically got no noise reduction. It's not real raw as such. There is some processing in the camera being carried out, the demasking and everything, but actual noise is what you're actually getting off that sensor. So you can see that the in-camera processing on H.265 knocks a lot of that noise out. So I think you've got to decide when you're going to use B-Raw. Would it be better to use H.265, especially in low light situations? And then in the stills, yeah, there's no difference. They're basically identical, which I didn't expect there to be any difference really. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. That helps the channel. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, see you later.